Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. Correct overall exposure throughout the photo with exposure, open up the shadows, and reduce the highlights to better balance the totality of the image. Correct overall contrast and add a popular matte effect using curve the red, green, blue curves. A matte effect softens the darker tones and adds a bit of mystery. Love it. Let's adjust image color and tone with curves. I prefer to work with the RGB curve as L have noticed that they don't exaggerate the saturation, which is something that L don't like for my images. The tone curve is divided into 3 parts: white, gray, black. Black is at the very bottom, gray is in the middle of the tone curve, white is at the top. The more points we mark, the better we control the image. I usually mark about 5 points. Add more points directly to the curve to adjust different tonal areas if you need more subtle controls. Points on the curve remain anchored until you move them. You can make an adjustment in one tonal area without affecting other areas. Let's see how it works. Refine the overall color balance using temperature, tint and saturation. Then interpret the color with the hue, saturation and luminance sliders. I like softening details throughout the photo to add a bit of atmosphere.
That's look great.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Signing off, Sharnish from Foxy Flash.